Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal cookies for dogs. Making your own dog treats is a wonderful way to ensure your furry friend enjoys healthy, natural ingredients without any hidden additives. It's also a fun and rewarding activity for you. We'll go through gathering simple pantry staples, mixing them up, and baking delicious, wholesome cookies your dog will absolutely adore. Let's get started on this easy and enjoyable recipe. Now, let's gather everything we need for these delightful dog treats. You'll want 2 1/2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, which are great for digestion. For the dry base, grab 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Then, for the wet ingredients, you'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of unsweetened, dog-safe peanut butter, make sure it doesn't contain xylitol, and 1/2 cup of water to bring it all together. These simple items are the foundation of our tasty cookies. With your ingredients ready, it's time to mix and shape our cookies. In a large bowl, combine your rolled oats and whole wheat flour thoroughly. Then, add the 2 eggs, the 1/2 cup of unsweetened peanut butter, and the 1/2 cup of water. Mix everything together until a firm, workable dough forms. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour. Roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch thick and use cookie cutters or a knife to create fun shapes for your pup. Finally, let's get these delicious treats baked and ready for your dog. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your shaped cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for approximately 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and firm. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool completely. This is crucial for crispness. Store your homemade oatmeal cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or freeze them for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.